Welcome to USP AI. The generative AI platform for professionals enables you to use generative AI to create royalty-free AI images for your blog, website, or social media posts. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a prompt. First off, go to our website at USP AI and register for a free account. Once you log in, you can choose the Create Image option. This opens up a new page where you are required to type in your image prompt. A prompt is a set of instructions given to a machine learning algorithm that is used to generate a specific output. In this case, you can provide the USP AI with a prompt for the image you want to generate, such as a color or a subject. And the USP AI will generate a piece of art based on that prompt. For example, a prompt might be, generate a picture of a white Labrador dog. The more detailed and more realistic the prompt is, the more detailed and realistic the image will be generated. Once you have entered your prompt, you can fill in other important details. Select your preferred API version. You can simply choose your preferred deep learning text-to-image model. This will primarily help you generate detailed images conditioned on your prompt/text descriptions. Image ratio. You can either choose a ratio or the platform you want to use it on, such as LinkedIn, Instagram, and others. When done with all these, click the Create button. This would take a few seconds, and voila! Your image is successfully created, and it's now available for download. To start generating AI images for free, simply go to USP AI and start generating your own images.